In your element, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, in one's element. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insight into English expressions. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be in one's element. In one's element is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where a person feels comfortable, confident, and enjoys what they are doing. It implies that the person is in a situation that suits their abilities and preferences perfectly. For example, if someone loves to cook and is preparing a meal, you might say they are in their element. This phrase has interesting origins. It comes from the ancient belief in the four elements: earth, water, air, and fire. Each element was thought to have specific qualities. When something was in its rightful element, it meant it was in a place where its natural qualities could be best expressed. This old concept evolved into the modern usage of the phrase. Let's look at how to use this phrase in different contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. At the party. John was in his element at the party, charming everyone with his stories. 2. In professional settings, as a teacher, Maria is in her element in the classroom, engaging her students with innovative lessons. 3. In hobbies. When he's painting, he's really in his element, completely absorbed in his art. While in one's element is the standard expression, there are variations. For example, you might hear out of one's element to describe someone feeling uncomfortable or unfamiliar with a situation. It's the opposite of being in one's element. And there you have it. Understanding the phrase, in one's element, can add depth to your English conversations and help you express feelings of comfort and confidence in various activities. We hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be in your element when using English idioms. See you in the next video.